I think separates us from the herd is that we're making you very, very three-dimensional, very well-rounded as you enter the workforce. And that is one of the things that we do special is that CCO certification. So it's the long acronym is NCCCO. We just call it CCO for short, but that's the National Commission for the Certification of Crane Operators. Now, not yet. We're not yet making you a crane operator when you come out of here. We're working on it. But what you will be is certified to rig and signal for those crane operators.
Yeah, and one of the reasons we push for this, OSHA sent out a mandate a few years back that if you're going to be a crane operator, you've got to hold a certification. And that's how long is it going to be before OSHA sends out the next mandate that if you want to signal that crane or you want to rig that crane, you've also got to have that certification in your back pocket. So we went ahead and pulled the trigger and got that happening for our students. It's very rewarding. A lot of times it's going to get you on the job so much quicker.
Yeah.
So I've got the call to come to the weld test, but when we first start, the other welders aren't even hired in yet.